Hi, so today you are going to get into your classroom page, classroom.google.com, into your Adobe account and get that set up, and also how to open up Premiere, our first program that we're going to use. Once you are logged in, Panthers on the Prowl is what we're going to be adding. Here's the class code. You may stop the video at this time to put that in. Once you've put in that class code, you do not want to shut this window. You do probably want to make it smaller so that we can see some other things that we're going to be looking at. Go down to the Windows menu in the corner, and you are looking through the Adobe apps and the one that says Adobe Premiere Pro. That's going to open this little window. Just click OK. You may or may not get that window. It does take a few seconds for Adobe to load up. I'm going to speed up the video here so that we can get into what you need to do. So as Adobe Premiere opens, it is going to bring up this white box, which goes to the Adobe Sign-In. So here, instead of signing at the top, we're going to sign in continue with Google. That is going to open up a web page for you to sign in to Adobe with your school account. So here you're putting in your ISD email again. Then click Next. Put in your password. Click Next again. And the first time we'll get this strange browser error. So we're just going to close this out. And you'll see it says it's waiting. And we're just going to start this process over. There is a reason we have to do this twice. It's just a little glitch in the system. But you're going to just do this whole process again. Put in your email. Then put in your password. And you'll notice the second time it's going to say you're all set. If it doesn't say this, then raise your hand and I will help you get through that. Once you do this, though, you are going to see Adobe begin to open. Again, it may take a few seconds. Adobe is a huge, huge program, but it should open up for you. This first screen that is opening is called the splash screen. You can see that there are a lot of things you could do on this screen, including learning a first tutorial, advancing in your tutorial knowledge, or just starting a new project. That's all for today. It's really important that you always quit out of your Adobe programs by clicking the X in the right-hand corner of the window. We'll learn next steps in our next tutorial.